Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use presets for indoor photography. So in this video I'm going to be guiding you through the settings and how you can adjust the different elements in the photo so that it best suits for a indoor photography. So what you have to do is open up your Lightroom app and then upload the photo which you want to edit. So go over to the picture icon over here with a plus sign, and then here's a photo that I want to edit. It is in a indoor settings, so I selected that, and now that it has been imported here, you can tap on it and you can begin editing. So first up, as you can see, it is in a very warm tone, as if it is in a warm cafe. So first up, what I want to do is I want to neutralize the indoor warmth, but I don't want to give the ambience. So to reduce the warmth, go over to the edit and then search for color, and in the color over here, notch up the tint and change it to 8. So now that it is in 8, as you can see, it is a lot less warmer. And now I want to fix the lighting, so for that go over to the exposure in the light section and then increase it by 0.3. There you go. And then now you have to decrease the contrast by 10, and now decrease the highlight as well by 35. There, and then increase the shadows by 40. And now increase the white as well by 10. And lastly, you can decrease the blacks by 20. And there you go, the lighting looks a lot better. Now what I want to do is I want to edit the skin tones of the woman over here. So go over to the FX button over here and then decrease the texture by 5, around 5, and then decrease the clarity as well by 8, and you can leave the haze as it is on 0. And now the skin looks a lot more softer and flattering. And now let's change the color panel of this image. So for that, again go to the color and scroll all the way down, and as you can see, you can increase the vibrance by 12 and then decrease the saturation by 4. And lastly, let's change the skin tone so that it looks more natural, and I want to remove the yellow cast as it is in the intro light. So for that, you have to go over to colors and then tap on the mix button over here. So as you can see, for the red, you have to increase the hue by 2 and decrease the saturation by around 4 and increase the luminance by 4. Now move on to orange and then decrease the hue by 4 and then decrease the saturation by 8, and lastly increase the luminance by 12. And lastly, for the yellow, decrease the hue by 10, saturation by around 14, and increase the luminance by 4. And then tap on the done button, and as you can see, it looks a lot better. And now that should be enough. So as you can see, if you tap and hold on the image, it will show the before image. So this is the original image, and if you let it go, then it will show us the edited one. And from the comparison, as you can see, it looks a lot better and clearer. The skin tone looks better and the warmth tone has been eliminated. And that is how you create a preset for indoor photography. And lastly, if you want to save this preset, then I made a video on this before, so you can check that out. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, then you can leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be answering them. And if this video has helped you, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Thank you very much for watching.